It's your boy JD, man, back with another one. Today, man, we're working on a Fisker Ocean. I'm gonna show y'all how to get under the hood when the battery's dead. So, first thing you want to do, you want to go ahead and remove this panel right here. Use a screwdriver or a pry tool. Be using a screwdriver, and it's just clipped in, so it's no bolts. So, once you remove this first part, there will be two 13 bolts where my screwdriver is going. So after you remove those two 13s, which I've already removed, go ahead and just pull up on the hood. And if you look in that left corner, this is where your battery will be. So if you ever need to change your battery on the Fisker Calmer, that is the location. Now, another tip, when you are taking off these bolts, do not use a drill. Make sure you use a hand tool. They have some type of Loctite on them, and if you use a drill and don't break it loose, it will be a pain to get these off. Don't ask me how I know. It's your boy JD, man. I'll let y'all boys next time. Another tip for these Fisker Oceans, when you have the hood up, this latch right here, it will latch in, and as you can see now, I'm trying to close it, and it's not letting me to close. So what you have to do is, you have to go ahead and push down on the inside, which pushes the latch back, and now you are able to close the hood.